What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is More Tips Tech, popularly known as AB Casino. If you are new to my channel, please note kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out anytime any day I drop the new videos. So, guys, today we are going to be looking on to the same um for Nigeria Rainbow. For Nigeria Rainbow Magic calculation. Yeah. And this is what we'll be discussing for the past two of my videos, but it's because one or two guys, one of my guys reach out to me and says why not uses this um when why don't I drop a video on a method on 3 plus, you understand, based on the 3 plus as a good odd. But I said no problem, I'll work on that. So before I proceed, please know that my videos, my content here on this channel are for educational purposes. I teach, I lectures, and I do account management when I have that time. All right, so guys, I'm going to be using that same method but different formula to get 3 plus accurately, you understand. So for those who has the 2 plus method on this magic calculation, you can come for the 3 plus. Just say you want to update it to 3 plus method, or understand, then I'll tell you how you can get it right. Okay, so guys, let's just sit back and relax and see how I'm going to be doing it. It's very simple though, but it's, you need to understand how the whole process works, you understand. So let's just watch, guys. Okay, this time is out already, so we need to wait and wait for the next result. This is 3 plus we are talking about here. you know you need to be very extra careful when dealing with three blocks, guys, because any little mistakes, it's a loss. Okay, so okay, okay, all right, all right. That's 24. We are working on three plus, so that's 24, and 24 is green. So we are going for green. So guys, watch and see. We are going for green to come out three plus. Woo! Woo! Ooh, guys, man, this is amazing, 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 wonderful. Honestly, I'm very happy. I'm very surprised at the same time, and I'm very happy because I know it's going to come, but at the same time, 3 plus can be scareful, you know, you know, in fact, I I don't even know. This is amazing, guys. Amazing, guys. You can see this is amazing. I never expected it to, flops, but at the same time, you have to have it at the back of your mind that in every achievement, sometimes there's always a disappointment. You understand? So you need to have that at the back of your mind. So at the end of the day, we have our winning, which is 3 plus. Just imagine, just with 30,000 I'm having, I was able to make it up to 96,422 naira. So this is amazing. This is what I came onto the system to do, and I'm done already. It's just a one time all over. I don't have to go twice or three times. No, 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 no. You need to learn how to, how to know how to fight at the same time, set back yourself. Like, you need to learn how not to be too greedy when you're on the system at the same time. So when next I want to come again, I will also come and you know do my calculations right and come back again. So see you so guys, see you on my next video, and as always, and for those who want it, as you always get it, you can come for it. It's very simple. All right. And for those who already has it, who has already has it, 2 plus, just come and get the update on 3 plus, and you get it right. Just imagine you trading on 2 plus and you have the 3 plus. So there's not way you want to get your 2 plus right when you are using 3 plus already. So if there's anything that even wanted to happen 2 plus is going to cover you. I'm very sure you understand what I'm saying, but 2 plus will always be 2 plus and 2 plus will always be 2 plus. So guys, I won't be going more further than this. Yeah, I want to get more further than this. For those who want it knows what to do. So see you guys in my next videos. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Peace out.